In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a 3D column chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's say we have some data of revenue by month with 3 different countries. But you want to have a chart that will show the data in 3 different dimensions across time and by the different countries in a way that's 3 dimensional and looks pretty cool. So to do this, we can first highlight the data, then go to the Insert tab. From here, we want to click on Recommended Charts. And now we want to click on All Charts. And we want to go to Column. So you can see the different ways we can visualize the data by group column chart or size column chart, depending on what you're trying to do. But we can choose this option on the far right. This is 3D column chart. And there are 2 different options depending on what we're trying to do. I like this one right here. And now we have a basic 3D column chart, where as you can see the heights is the revenue months across the x-axis, and the depths is the different countries. One thing to note too is that you can kind of format this in a lot of ways that you would a different chart. So you can change the color scheme if you want to fit your needs. You can use some of these quick formatting options to get some more interesting designs, like this right here is interesting. To have the chart be really what you would want it to be. You can also adjust the different axes if as you would like. So for example, let's just say you wanted to show all of the countries on this depth axis right here. You can right click on this and then we can click on Format Axis. We can go to tick marks or labels, sorry, we want to specify interval units. And as you can see, we're having one every one of these shows. And you just kind of have to mess around with this to really get it to be what you would want it to be. But as said, you can really just format these 3D charts in a lot of the ways that you would a 2 dimensional chart. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.